Daddy Loves You. Written by Helen Foster James. Illustrated by Petra Brown. Daddy loves you, bunny bear, much more than words can say. You are your daddy's sunshine. I love you every day. Side by side, we learn and play. I'll teach you what I know. I love you and protect you wherever you may go. Hold my hand and let's explore and see what we can see. Ducks are swimming on the lake and birds rest in the tree. Let's see who hops the highest. Then spin ourselves around. Hold on tight and swing and trill until we both fall down. We build and fix together. I'll show you how it's done. We'll play games, my lovey bug, and fill our days with fun. Do your best, be bold and kind. Be all you want to be. You'll be a superhero, especially to me. I'll tell your favorite stories and tuck you into bed. I'll whisper good night, star bright, and kiss your little head. Sweet dreams, my snuggle bunny. I know that this is true. You are my little angel and moonbeam. I love you.
Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.